Alright guys, I'm going to do a mid fade with a pompadour on top. I'm going to be using the 5-star Barber blow dryer. Check it out.
I want all the W's and all the M's. I want all the W's and all the M's. I want all the W's and all the M's. Cause after everything, everyone you put in front of me, I'm still
I want all the M's, I don't need new friends. I just want a Benz and a lens. I can see through trends.
Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. I just want to give you all a quick update on this that Wahl sent me. This is the 5-star Barber dryer. It has a retro design. It's super powerful and I've been using it for about a week now and it's been amazing. It's the best tool to add to your styling lineup. I'd highly recommend this for pompadours, for any kind of styling techniques you need to use, any kind of hair drying, and I really like it. The sleek finish, all my clients tell me that it looks really cool, so I'd highly recommend it. All right guys, so I'm gonna start with spraying the hair and pushing it to the back so that I can see how it lays on the sides and how it's gonna lay for me to start my fade. All right guys, I'm gonna take my magic clips and I'm gonna start with the 1.5 open, which equals a 2. I'm gonna take off all this bulk, and then after I do that, I'm gonna use the clipper over comb and blend in that 2 into the top. All right guys, next I'm gonna use my half open and I'm gonna start my guideline right where the peak of the temple is and work my way down because I'm doing a drop fade in the back. All right guys, the next step is I'm gonna take my Sub-Zero and I'm gonna go about a finger under that half line and I'm gonna Sub-Zero it out. All right guys, so then next I'm gonna get my 1.5 open and I'm gonna go over where the half line is into that 2 that I originally did. And then from there, I'm gonna put my half on and I'm gonna have it open and I'm gonna take off this last line left and then be blending from there. All right guys, from there's one last line where I started the half in between the half and the Sub-Zero. I'm just gonna take my clippers and hit it with the close lever, and then I'm just gonna be working the lever open and closed until I start gradually seeing that line get out. All right guys, I'm gonna blow dry and style the top. So the way I do it is a little different. A lot of people use vent brushes and stuff like that, but I'm gonna show you how to do it with just a regular comb. So first I'm gonna wet the hair and get it super wet. Comb it to the back. So then from there, I'm gonna add the detachable vent on the blow dryer. I'm gonna put it on medium heat, and I'm gonna use the fine teeth on the comb, and I'm gonna basically tease the hair by running it through the hair, twisting it, and pulling it outwards. When I style it, this will be on the fine tooth. Alright guys, so that concludes the tutorial for a pompadour with a mid fade. Go like, subscribe, and follow for more content.